The Galaxy S25 Slim is finally here, and it's shaking up the smartphone game in a way that's bound to turn heads. In 2025, slim phones are making a major comeback, and Samsung isn't staying behind. After Apple's rumored move toward slimmer designs, the Galaxy S25 Slim takes the lead by offering an ultra-thin profile, making it thinner than the previous S24 Ultra, yet still packing incredible features. If you're a fan of sleek, modern designs with powerful performance, this phone is one you won't want to miss. So, what exactly makes the S25 Slim stand out? Let's dive into its impressive design and specs. The S25 Slim is only 6.4mm thick, a full 2.2mm thinner than the S24 Ultra, which makes it noticeably slimmer. In comparison to the base Galaxy S25, the Slim version is even more compact, but don't let the size fool you, this is still a powerhouse. The 6.8-inch display on the S25 Slim matches the S25 Plus, so you're not compromising on screen size. But here's where it gets even more exciting. While the S25 Slim's design may remind you of the S25 Plus, it packs camera upgrades that take it closer to the S25 Ultra. That's right, the S25 Slim will feature a more advanced camera system, including a periscope zoom lens, a feature that gives Samsung a major edge over the competition. Unlike Apple's iPhone 17 Air, which will have a single camera, the S25 Slim is delivering a full-featured camera system, making it perfect for those who want high-quality photos and zooming capabilities without sacrificing style. However, the one challenge all slim phones face is battery life. It's no secret that thinner devices require compromises, and the S25 Slim is no exception. It's rumored to pack a 4,000 mAh battery, which is a bit smaller than what we're used to seeing in larger devices. While this might raise some concerns, it's important to note that this is a trade-off for the phone's ultra-slim design. But don't worry, the S25 Ultra is also thinner and will maintain its 5,000 mAh battery, so it's got you covered if you're after longer battery life. Now, if you're considering getting your hands on the S25, Samsung has an incredible pre-order offer for you. By reserving your Galaxy S25, you can score a $50 credit and even get the chance to win $5,000. Plus, it's completely risk-free, no credit card required to reserve your phone. Once pre-orders go live, you can use that $50 credit to grab extra savings. As for the design, the Galaxy S25 lineup features some stunning new looks. The marketing images showcase the S25 Ultra from every angle, and the new Now Bar feature adds a touch of brilliance. With AI-driven summaries, the Now Bar can pull information from all your apps to give you daily briefings, which could include anything from travel tips to reminders for your workout. If you're the type of person who likes staying on top of things, this feature will be a game changer. When it comes to availability, we're looking at February 2025 for the official release. Pre-orders in India will start delivering around February 3rd, and regular sales are expected to kick off by February 9th, exciting news for those in India. The base storage will start at 256 GB, which is a welcome upgrade over previous models. So, there you have it. The Galaxy S25 Slim is everything you could want in a slim, stylish phone with the latest features. And with the exciting offers, there's never been a better time to reserve yours. Stay tuned, because as we approach the launch, we'll be learning even more about the S25 Ultra and all the amazing features it's bringing to the table.